Good morning, Philippines. Good evening, Toronto. Just showing you my daughter's Jenny collection of stuffed toys. And in her room. This is her room forever. Forever and ever. She will stay as 19 years old. As young as like that, because she died two weeks before her 19 years old. So guys, I'm showing you because I'm cleaning up her room. I don't want to make it like a storage room, so I'm decluttering here. I'm taking all the stuff as much as I can, so I want to preserve her room as her beautiful room. The only thing that we didn't put here is bed, because as you can see, I have bathtub here that never installed, and this is all the tarpaulin that we used in our previous reunion. So guys, I thought I'm done washing it, but I noticed that her stuffed toys need to be washed because it's been 10 years that it didn't wash. So I hopefully this is my last. So this I will put in the washing machine just to take out the dust because I gave so much stuffed toys last reunion, to the Galley reunion. But this stuffed toys is I want to keep for her room as her, my daughter is lyre band. So this is her lyre band at Candelaria is elementary school. That's her lyre band. I think she is a member of lyre band since grade 1 until she moved to the Cavite. So guys, this is her uniform, and I want to clean up her boots, shoes. And that trophy is for Jack when he won as Mr. Daycare. So guys, I just saw bunch of mugs under the cabinet. So I will wash it and put it in the counter in the kitchen. So this area is so much stuff, kitchen stuff, all there on that side, and here also so much stuff here. So guys, this is my collection. This is Canadian penny that now is being abolished. So I one of my favorite my collection also is collecting money from different countries, the coins. So this is the from Canada. That is our penny that now never use. So, and this is from different countries. I think this is all from Israel, the shekel. Also this one. So I have a lot of bunch of coins. And this one is a collection. This is an old Canadian dollar. I don't know if it's $1 or what. I cannot read. It's Queen Elizabeth. So this is Canadian dollar. So this is our $1 before. This is Canadian dollar. This is part of my collection. So this is all coins from different countries, this mostly is from Israel with shekel, and this is the money from shekel, and this is I moved this one a lot of coins because I saw. So this is also my collection from different countries coins. As you can see, this is because when my boss travel all over the world, so I keep asking them if they have leftover coins from different countries. So that's why I have so much coin, because I'm collecting it. They know that I'm a collector of money from different countries. So this is it. So I'm not done yet. So I just start the washing machine so it get bubbled. So then I will wash all this stuff twice. Hoping this is the last, really the last. And then I will show you my daughter during her graduation in elementary. That's her elementary pictures. That's her baby pictures when you're 1 year old during her baptismal. And this picture is the one of her. I think this is the last picture before she died. She's already under dialysis. In this picture, that's why she's a little bit, how do you call it, panasna. Look at her face. So she's been dialysis for 13 months. So, and the upper picture is her 1 year old. And that one, that in the gown, is she won as Little Miss Philippines. It's a contest in the school, in the daycare. And she also joined. And this is her prom, during her prom picture. As you can see, there's a prom pictures. And that one, so there's so much bunch of picture here. And that one is a collectible dolls in candles. So I have Super Mario there. So I have to grab it and wash it also. So and I have a collection of candles, a bunch of candles, the big one. That's when my tita used to make candles. Roses candle. As you can see on the top, it's a roses candle. They put it on the top. And a collectible dolls. So that is from my bosses, and that's her for the Lyra sombrero. So see how small my daughter is. So cute. I can imagine when she's wearing it, and when see, that's the one. This is the only souvenir that I want to keep for her, but mostly her clothes I give it to my nieces. So that's her Lyra uniform, and look at the boots. That is so cool. You know, guys, when I see everything, it's not a sad thing to say it. It's a memory. It's like a memorabilia of my daughter. That's what it's keep me inspired when I see it, that I keep that. So guys, I'm just showing you if she is alive, she is already I think she born 1984, so she gonna be 41 years old this October 11 this year. So how can you imagine that if she is alive, I have a 41 years old daughter this year. So guys, it's just as much as possible, I don't want it to make like a storage, because I have here boxes of packages that's so much stuff inside. So I want to declutter it. So see, this is the view of my daughter's room that I'm now. You see, I have another ceiling fan here, and look at my bathtub. Instead of using it and installed, I put all the Christmas decor there, and all the tarpaulin from Galleon, from Huelva, from Batch 82, and so much more. So I keep trying to organize a room for the upcoming house blessing. So guys, this is the reason that I cannot sleep. It's only 3:30 in the morning. I've been awake at 2 o'clock. So how could you imagine that? I went to bed at 12 midnight. Then I get up at 2 o'clock. I have only 2 hours sleep. My eyes is, I don't know if it's the reason of getting older, that I can't sleep. If I went to the washroom, then it's hard for me to go back to sleep. That's the reason, because I went to pee to the washroom, then now I cannot sleep. So guys, look. This is her room. I want to make it solemn as it is. And then I'm washing all that stuffed toys to take out the dust. So it's another task for today. Before anything else, I have to go to the town to buy some material for the apartment. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching.